Be Aidan O'Mahony an clochúna crua cheannas de fórna bar a húla riamh.
Túr jabda bhí sé ábalta an jab sanna dhéanamh an na miniúid is fearr an bhreasúra. Bhí O'Mahony.
Come up to kick. What is his second point?
He didn't go away, and that was the thing about him, I suppose. Unlike other players, he just didn't go away.
You'd live and die with him. You'd go to war with Aidan.
He really did never let Kerry down. He was a bit of a spiritual leader for us.
Kerry recycle again with O'Mahony. Last year's man of the match in the All-Ireland final.
I put on a jersey. I thought that's what I need to be seen as, both on and off the pitch. Teeth tough, nothing bothers him. He plays on the line, he plays on the edge. But I was anything but off it.
Agus mar a bhahasa, has na cuasaí tite mas a chéalacha.
The conduct of Aidan O'Mahony today was embarrassing, to do something like that.
My mind was just in a dark place at the time. I just found my mental health was on the floor looking back then, and I was doing nothing about it, and everything was draining me.
Aidan O'Mahony will be the first player to appear before a GAA anti-doping tribunal.
The good was gone out of life for me. Everything that happened down to those years, I never dealt with, and there's no one to blame, only myself.